Holy
He's got no back window.
Now that's what we came for. That's potato salad here. I got his face, that's funny.
Hey, where's Waxy? I need my passenger tire right there, Lloyd. I got it. Okay. Wait, your passenger tire right here? Passenger tire right here. We're going right there. Okay, I got it. Okay.
the drive line?
Drive line?
You see it?
He needs to drive that. I think it's flopping all. That poor drive shaft.
Send it.
Doof down.
Oh yes. Oh, it might. Well, folks, this trip did not turn out like we had planned. First of all, the Suburban, trash. We're gonna get a new transmission thrown in it. We're gonna get some probiotics and get Jake's transmission going better as well. He seems his tranny went out this weekend too. But anyway, so that's it for the video. We're gonna go shopping. The girls want some shirts and stuff, and it was still a fun trip. However, it was not as fun as last year. So, word of advice: we booked the trip for next year, and I'll tell you what, we already booked it for Thanksgiving as well. And if you book stuff like this way in advance, you get a hell of a deal. So do that and smile, and then just say hi to people. Be a nice person. Just be a nice person.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Wait.